In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dropbox link. Whether you're looking to share files quickly and efficiently with friends, colleagues, or clients, creating a Dropbox link will make your task incredibly simple. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account. Open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials to log in. If you're new to Dropbox, you'll need to sign up. The process for signing up is straightforward, requiring only basic information like your email address and a password. Remember to keep your credentials secure for future access to your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Next, direct your attention to the left side of your screen and click on All Files. This section contains every file and folder you have in Dropbox, categorized for your convenience. Navigating this section is a breeze, thanks to Dropbox's clean and intuitive interface. After you're in the All Files section, take a moment to look through your files and select the one you wish to share. This could be either a folder containing multiple files or a single document. Clicking on your desired file or folder will highlight it, indicating it's ready for the next steps. Now that you've selected your file or folder, turn your gaze to the upper area of your Dropbox interface, where you'll see a button labeled Share. By clicking on this, you open up a world of sharing possibilities. Dropbox not only lets you share files effortlessly, but also gives you control over who can view or edit these documents, enhancing both functionality and privacy. Within the sharing options, you'll find an option that says Copy Link. Clicking on this will generate a shareable link to your selected file or folder, and Dropbox ensures this is done swiftly and securely. However, if you see a link icon, which may appear as a chain or link symbol on your interface, you can click on that as an alternative method for generating your link. Both methods serve to give you an effective and efficient way to produce your desired sharing link. Once you have that link, it's time to share it. Just paste this link into an email, a chat application, or wherever you intend to send it. Recipients can then click on the link to access your file directly. It's a straightforward process that reduces the hassle of attaching large files or dealing with incompatible formats. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to create and share a Dropbox link. With this skill, sharing files becomes as easy as a few clicks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials.